Okay, now the things is now voice is audible, friend, and screen is visible, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, let's start. Okay, so for that, what is that? It's implementation class. Okay, na. So in the its implementation class, what we will do now? Okay, delete this one. Okay, delete it. Okay, I'm deleting the things. Okay. Okay, so I want to update which record, right? Which record I want to update it? Okay, na? I want to this Ravi is there, na? I want to Kant also, right? And 40 is there, just I want to 50, right? I want to 50. So for that, what we will do now? Come here, come inside that, right? So for that, what is that? Using HT update method is where? Update method is where? Inside that Hibernate template, right? Update update, right? Inside that emp we will pass that object. Okay, na? So okay, fine, the things is completed now. So so where we will go now? We will go inside that employee service class. Okay, na? Again here also we will public what is that? Void save what? No, update 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 emp object, right? Obj, and it will take what is that? Employee object only, right? Employee emp, fine. Okay, na? So now, but where we will write that logic? It's implementation class. Okay, na? So now alt shift s plus v, the super class method we will override, and we will write the logic here. So again update also, which kind of operation? Non-select operations. For that, which annotation we will apply? At the rate transactional on the top of this class. Okay, on the top of this class. Okay, yes. So fine. Okay. After then, what we will do now? We will call that using what? This reference, the DAO class method. Okay. So DAO dot what is that? Update object, right? Object, and here we pass this employee object reference. Fine. Okay. Now the thing is completed. And now component, employee component, and we will write that one method, right? We will write one method. Okay, na? So for that, what is that? Public, what is that? It's the return type also void only. I'm taking void now. Update update emp, just I'm taking the method name, this one only, right? Inside that, what we will do now? Okay, we will create again employee object, right? Employee e equal to what is that? New employee object, right? Employee object. Okay, so based on that, e dot what is that? Set emp id. So here what we will do now? Which one we want to update it? Which employee? Ravi Kant. The employee id is what? 102. So for that, what we will do now? Here 102 we will pass it. Okay, na? That employee we want to update it. After then, e dot what is that? Set, right? Set, what is that? Set name. Now previously, what is there? Ravi only there. I want Ravi Kant. Okay, na? I want what is that? Ravi Kant. So what we will do now? RAVIKANT, we will pass it. Ravi Kant. Okay, na? So after then, what is there? The salary is 40, so I want 50, right? I want for 50. Okay, so for that, what we will do now? Again, e dot what is that? Set e dot set, what is that? Salary, right? Salary, just make as what? 50.50, right? Point zero. Okay, fine. So okay, so now this method is completed. Now sys out, I'm writing what? Object is updated. Object is what? Updated. Okay, so now, okay, so let's test it, and we see that the data is updating or not. Okay, na? The data is updating or not using what? Update method, right? Using what? Update method. So I'm commenting this method, right? I'm commenting this method. Okay, now emp dot what is that? Update method I'm calling, right? Update method I'm calling that. Okay, na? After calling this method, let's run the application. Observe the console. Yeah, object is updated. Come in the database, right? Come in the database, just refresh it. Hey. Sorry. 1 minute. 1 minute. Actually, I taken what create, right? Every time it's deleting the data. Okay, na? Come the property. Come the property. Come the in the property. Here I taken create. I'm taking update. Update, right? Update. I'm taking the update. After then, what I'm doing that come inside the test class, right? Just I'm commenting this one. First, I have need to store the data, right? I have need to store the data. So for that, I'm running this application, right? So for that, I'm running the application. Then what will happen? The data again, the all data will come because in that method, I'm calling that method only, right? Because if we are taking the create property every time table is deleted, right? Deleted and again the table is created, because of that we lose the data, right? So now refresh it. Still application is running now. Yeah, see that Ravi 40 is came na. So come inside that, right? Come here. Okay, I'm going to comment it. And in this time I taken what update, right? Update. So there is no problem in that. There is no problem in that. Okay, now it will take the same only. Okay, now call that update method. Now run the application. See now which data is there? Ravi 102, Ravi and 40 is there na. So I want Ravi Kant and 50. This one updates and these two row I want to update it. Okay. So now run the application. Okay na. Run the application.
Ravi, here only table gets updated, but it doesn't create any new table, right?
Hmm?
With updated data.
No, in this situation, it will not create a new table. Just it will update the table, right?
Okay.
Hmm. But it's not updated. Why? Object is updated is saying that object is updated but the query is not generated. Why? One minute. One zero two. I made Ravikant. This one. Why this operation is not happening? DAO come to DAO. HT dot update method also I called. At the rate transactional annotation also I performed. Okay, run more one more application time this application. Be patient, okay na? Why not it's updating?
I think Ravi, after replacing the value need to be service dot save method need to be called, right?
Which one?
In service layer.
Service. Okay, service.
No, no. In test class where you put the value.
Test class. Which one? I'm using what this one. This one. You are talking about this method, right?
Yes, 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 yes. And down
Sorry,
service dot save save
yes,
employee object.
yes, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Okay, I forget it. It's my mistake only. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I'm really appreciated your thinking capacity. Okay, na? So here, what is that service dot? What is that? We will call that method update, right? Update method. Okay.
Okay, yes.
See, this is the normal things will happen, friend. Okay, na? Because okay, na? So now save it. Okay, na? So we will pass this one, right? I created this object, but if I'm not calling that method, how it will happen? Okay, na? Because of that, we are now run this application. Okay. Thank you so much. Really, really, I appreciated you. Okay. So now run this application. Because I said that here the query is not generating why the things is not happening. Okay. Yes, yes. Now updated. Come here in the table, right? Now refresh it. See, previously Ravi only there. Ravi Kant and every data is same, but Ravi Kant is updated or not? 50, 50 and Ravi Kant. It became right. It became. Thank you so much. Okay, so now the data is updated now. Second operation, come here, come inside that. What is that? Delete object. I want delete. So for that, okay, now I want to delete the Ravi Kant record, right? I want to delete the Ravi Kant record from the here, okay, now. So for that, little bit special things need, friend. Okay, now little bit special things need. Okay, here because based on the primary key we will read what we will delete it. Okay, now we will delete the data or not. Okay, now so for that what we will do now, so come here, come in the DAO layer, right? DAO interface, where the DAO interface, yeah, this one. Okay, so inside that let's write one method. Okay, public, what is that? Public, the void, what is that? Delete, delete object, right? Object, delete object, and it's need what? Primary key, int integer, right? Integer, right? Integer ID. Just I'm taking what? Integer ID. Based on the employee ID we will delete it. So where we will go? We will go inside that what? It's implementation class, all shift s plus v. So okay, na? So okay, so for that what we will do now in the DAO layer, what I said that based on that what? Based on that employee ID we will delete it, na? We have need to delete. So first what we have need to do? First we have to set, right? First we have to set what? ID inside that model class, right? ID inside that what? Model class. Okay, na? So for that what we will do now? So whatever end user, I decided to end user will send that ID, right? ID. So for that inside this method what I will do now? Just I'm creating model class here only, right? Employee, right? Employee, array, employee. Now e equal to new employee, right? Employee, right? So after then what we will do now? E dot I'm setting the what? I'm setting employee ID. This ID I'm setting in the this model class here. Okay, na? So here what I'm doing that I'm passing this one. Based on that, the id will set in this model class. Okay na? After then we will delete it. Then ht dot, what is that? ht dot, what is that? ht dot, what is that? Delete, we will call delete method. And what we will do now, we will pass this employee class. Okay, we will pass this one, right? So just we have need to delete what? Employee, right? Means we are setting the employee id here, right? By taking the end user, from the end user we will take the argument, right? Means id number what? 102 102, which one we want it to delete it. Okay, so here in this method only we created the object and we set that employee id, which one will come from what? End user. And after then we call that what? That delete method, and we pass that setted id, with the setted id, that employee object here. Okay, so that these things. Okay na? So for that, what we will do now, we will go inside that what? Employee service class. Okay na? So what is that? Public, what is that? Void, what is that? Delete, right? Delete object. Okay na? It will take integer id, right? We will pass the id as an end user, from the end user only. Okay, so for that, but what is that? It's implementation class, where we will go now. Alt shift s plus v, alt shift s plus what? V. I overridden that method. Okay, but still this one also what? Non-select operation, right? This one also, what is that? Non-select operation. Okay na? So for that, what annotation we will apply on the top of this method? Iterate transactional. Iterate transactional. Fine. Okay na? Iterate transactional. Okay, so now, okay, fine. So what is that? We will call that method, right? Using what is that? Service service dot what? No, sorry, dao, right? Dao is there, right? dao d dao dot, what is that? Delete method, right? We will call that delete method and we will pass that. Okay, so now, okay, so come in the component, employee component class. Okay na? So let's write one method. What is that? Public what? Public void, right? Void delete object, and it's argumented. I will take what? Integer, right? Integer id, right? Id. Okay, fine. Integer id, sorry. Inside that, what we will do now? Okay, just we will call this one, right? We will call, what is that? Service dot what? Delete method. And inside that id we will pass it. Okay na? After then what? Just we wrote message sys out object is deleted. Fine. Okay na? Let's call and let's run this application. Okay na? Let's comment this one. Then what we will do now? emp dot what? Delete method. We will call delete method. Okay, and here which one we want to delete it? Which one? 102 means Ravikant, I want to delete it. Okay na? So for that, what we will do now? Just 102 we will pass it here. Okay, after passing that, run the application. Yeah, see, selected first time. After then what? It delete from the employee where the id is generated, right? In the diagram also, where question mark is there or not? Oh, come here and refresh the table. See, Ravikant data is deleted or not? Initially whatever I given the theory, those things I'm implementing as a practical also or not? Okay na? So these two operation means this much operation we completed. So I want to select, right? So I want to select one record from what? Employee. I want to select one record from what? Employee. So for that, okay, come. So for that, what we will do now, I want to select 101 persona 30, right? So for that, let's write one method, okay? Let's write one method, okay? So let's write one method. So for that, what we will do now, come here, come inside that what? Here, DAO, right? DAO, where the IDO, okay? Write it. So for that, but return type is what? Get method return type is what? Object. I said that, right? What is that? Come here, right? What is that? The same object is there, right? Okay. So for that, what we will do now? Public. What is that? Employee return type. I will take what? Employee get one object. Get one object, right? Get one object. Okay, now. So after getting one object here, what we have need two argument, right? Employee means model class. After then what is that?